I'd rather be on a beach than a boat.
I'd rather be on the beach, I think.
Beach. I would rather forget my sunscreen.
I would also rather forget my sunscreen.
I would rather get stung by a bee because my friend got stung by a jellyfish and it looked like it hurt.
Yeah, I feel like the same because it's like quicker. I would rather miss my flight.
Yeah, same, because if I'm bringing something valuable, that's just gonna stress me out.
One time I went on a school trip to Italy and they lost my luggage, and so I was in Italy with no clothes.
Oh, swim with sharks.
I've been swimming with sharks. It's very fun and relaxing.
I don't like spiders.
Yeah.
Hike with tarantulas, that's like my worst
But like on a
nightmare.
leash, like would it be like cute or?
No, they wouldn't be on leashes, they'd just be following me.
Yeah, that's cute, like ducks.
No, very different. Ooh,
I'd rather live on a houseboat.
I'd want to live in a treehouse. I've always wanted a treehouse, but we've never had a sturdy tree.
Yeah, that's true. I'd rather have a perfect tan.
And my hair looks crazy after I go in the water. Because it's just like messy.
My hair is naturally wavy, so it's kind of,
Mine gets like crunchy.
yeah, and greasy.